Hi, I'm Ana Marie Bagasina. Now I will perform range of motion exercises. First exercise is neck flexion, neck extension. Neck flexion, neck extension. Second one is the right flexion, left flexion. Right flexion, left flexion. For the third exercise is the shoulder flexion, extension, and hyperextension. So first is the flexion, extension, hyperextension. Flexion, extension, and hyperextension. Fourth exercise, the abduction and adduction. So for the right abduction, right adduction. Right abduction, right adduction. And for the left abduction, right abduction. Left abduction, right abduction. For the fifth exercise, the elbow flexion and extension. So start for the right, elbow flexion, and elbow extension. And for the left side, elbow flexion and elbow extension. For the sixth exercise, the hand supination and pronation. So, pronation, supination, pronation, supination. For the seventh exercise, the ulnar deviation and radial deviation. So, radial deviation or ulnar deviation. Radial deviation, ulnar deviation. For the eighth exercise, the wrist flexion and extension. So, wrist, flexion, extension. Flexion, extension. For the ninth exercise, the finger flexion, extension, and hyperextension. So, finger, flexion, extension, hyperextension. Flexion, extension, hyperextension. For the 10th exercise, the thumb opposition. So, this is the thumb opposition. For the 11th exercise, the hip flexion and extension. So, flexion, extension, flexion, extension. For the 12th exercise, the hip abduction and adduction. So, let's start with the right. Abduction, adduction. Next is for the left. Abduction, adduction. For the 13th exercise, the internal rotation and external rotation. Let's start for the right side. Internal, external. And next for the left side, internal, external. For the 14th exercise, the knee flexion and knee extension. Let's start for the right side. So, knee flexion, knee extension. Next, for the left side, knee flexion, knee extension. For the 15th exercise, the dorsiflexion in plantar flexion. Okay? Dorsiflexion, neutral, plantar flexion. For the next side, dorsiflexion, neutral, plantar flexion.